Little angel reader, little angel reader, read along with angel reader, have some fun with angel reader. Little angel reader.
Are you tired? Are you ready for bed? Let me read you a bedtime story, okay? Get comfy and cozy and listen to the story. Max and the Paper Airplanes. Story by Anna Mitkiewicz. Pictures by Alice Odintsova. This is Max. He's 6 years old. He likes to play with his dad. One day, Max and his dad decided to make some paper airplanes. First, they made a plane for Max. Max drew lightning and wrote his name on it. Then they made a plane for Dad. Max wrote Daddy on it and drew fire. When the planes were ready, Max and Dad started flying them. They had fun. Suddenly, one plane landed on Mommy's table. She was writing a story. "What is it?" asked Mom. "Daddy and I are playing with paper airplanes. We made them ourselves," answered Max. "Nice, have fun," said Mom and threw the plane back to Max. Max caught it and came to Dad. "Daddy, let's make a plane for Mommy," he asked quietly. So they made a plane for Mom. On one wing, Max drew Mommy's face and wrote Mommy. On the other wing, he drew a heart. He brought his new plane to Mom. "Mommy, this plane is for you. Do you like my heart?" asked Max. "I love it, honey," answered Mom. "You are so sweet." She was happy. Max and Dad continued flying their planes. It was getting late already. Dad started yawning. Suddenly, Mom heard Max laughing. She turned and saw one of the paper airplanes sticking out of Dad's mouth. It flew right inside his mouth while he was yawning. How funny! Everyone started laughing. Max's sister, Angie, heard the laughter from her room and came to see what was going on. "Angie, look," said Max, laughing. "My plane landed in Daddy's mouth." She started laughing too. Max whispered in Dad's ear, "Daddy, let's make one plane for Angie too." So they made a plane for Angie. Max wrote her name and drew her face on it. Now Max had 4 paper airplanes to play with. 1, 2, 3, 4. "Mommy, I can fly my plane into Daddy's nose," Max told Mom. "Oh, no, you won't," said Mom, laughing. "Well, it's time to go to bed now. You can play more tomorrow." The end. Max and the Paper Airplanes. Read aloud for you by the author. Did you like my story? I hope you did. You can buy this book on Amazon and use it as a reader. Which of these Max stories have you read? Here is Max and his paper airplane. And here is Max's drawing. Max likes to draw. How about you? Do you like to draw? Thank you for reading with us today. Good night and sweet dreams. Books are amazing, and so are you. If you like my books and the way I read books aloud, you can also thank me here. PayPal littleangelreader@gmail.com. Thank you. And now it's time for you to go to sleep. Good night. Thank you for reading with us today. See you next time.
Little angel reader, little angel reader, read along with angel reader, have some fun with angel reader.